Air Astra is the youngest ever airline from Bangladesh to be successfully registered as an IATA Operational Safety Audit IOSA operator. IOSA is the global industry benchmark contributing to improving safety performance of airlines. By statistics over the past decade, IOSA airlines have 3 times better safety record than airlines which are not registered on IOSA. We promise safety in all critical areas.
In ground service, in security oversight.
At Air Astra, it is our #1 priority to ensure the safety and security of our customers and employees.
We continually work to create and foster a strong culture of safety and security that proactively identifies and manages risks to the operation.
Catch the star and let us take you places safely and reliably.